Hello, today we're going to be working on servicing a standard Sentry Equipment Corp Model B1 bulk solid sampler. First thing that we'll do is we'll remove the T, auger, sample tube, and sleeve assembly from the motor by removing a tri-clamp located here. We can set the motor off to the side. Now that you've removed the T, you can slide the auger out of the sample tube like so. You can then slide the sample tube and sleeve out of the T like so. And the sample tube separates from the sleeve like so. The half of the drive coupling is held to the auger via this pin, which can be removed. The coupling can be removed, and the bushing removed from the auger. Reassembly is the reverse. Bushing, coupling, and pin. Reassembly of the entire unit goes as follows. Note there is an alignment pin in the T. Both the sleeve and the sample tube have holes that correspond with that alignment pin. First we insert the sleeve, aligning the pin with the hole in the sleeve. Next we insert the sample tube, aligning the pin with the hole in the sleeve. Completion of assembly goes as follows. I have found that it is easiest to stand the motor and gearbox up. I use a piece of cardboard tube, or you could use a piece of PVC pipe or a piece of masking tape, works fine. There is a coupler spider that is installed in the coupling, but the other half of the coupling is installed on the motor shaft. After you've installed that, you can stand the auger and bushing assembly vertically, and then you can install the T, sample tube, and sleeve assembly. You then install your clamp. And you are ready to put the sampler back in service.